Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background music from a video and only keep the vocals by using the Capcut PC. So this feature is like pretty new in Capcut, and you can use it if you are only on the Capcut Pro. And here I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, you can just add your videos into Capcut like this, and then under the video here you need to go to under the panel here, go to audio and then scroll down until you find the voice aspirations option. So just click on this, and here you can see you can keep the vocal options, not remove vocal, or delete the vocals. Click on keep vocal. Now it will isolating the voice, and you can just wait until the process is done. After that, within seconds, your background music will be removed from your videos. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.